Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let all the students join the class. We will start our class. Okay. You all are stars. Join on time, mashallah. Shahraza, Anaya, Amna Sheikh, very good. Fatma, Sinan, Zayan. Excellent job. You log in on exact time. Very good, bete. It's really good thing to log in on time. It means you are very careful about your classes. Very good, Abia. Let other students join us. We'll be starting our class. Mara joined us. Okay, still it's not 9 a.m. now. 2-3 seconds are left. Let all the students join, please. Everyone, give your attendance. Do write present teacher. Everyone write present teacher. Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. Are you all getting my voice? Raise the hand, please. Okay, it's mean I'm audible to you all. Okay, Sanan, I'm unmuting you. Please recite. Unmute yourself and recite the surah, bete.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان في خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu al-Azim, Subhanallah, bete, Jazakallah. Bete, Sinan, when you recite the surah, at the time you have to be a little bit louder so that your voice will be clear, more clear. It's really good, bete. Today you all join on time. Most of the students are on time. I'm really happy to see you punctual. Very nice. Very good job. You all are my shining star. Please, everyone, open the camera. Then I'll be starting the new topic, tenses, today. And I hope you remember Thursday we are having the quiz, the test. On Thursday, I'll be taking your test. That will be surprise test about any topic, whatever we have done. Clear? With the topic, you have to practice whatever we are doing. Okay? Like word classes, whatever we have done in detail, letter writing. Because on Thursday, I'll be taking test of any topic to you. So get ready for it. Okay, Mubashir, join us. More students are joining us. Okay, today we are doing tenses. So, little bit introduction, I'll be doing it. In your opinion, what is a tense? What do you think? What are tenses? What it does? What is the major function of a tense? In your opinion? Very good, Rafe. You're looking very nice. After a long time, I'm looking at you. Okay. You know, I'm very happy to see you, mashallah, on time. And alhamdulillah, you all are fine. Really very happy to see you all. Please, Zayan, open the video picture, Reja, please. Or place the display picture of yours. Okay, now I open the camera. Okay. I'm giving a short introduction, a brief introduction about the tenses. What are tenses? You know, it has the function, it tells us about the time. Tense, from the help of tense, we can judge or justify the time, whether it's present, past, or future. Is this clear to all of you? You know, with the help of verb, we can easily judge the tense. I'm sharing the screen. I want everyone to look at it. Are you all able to look at it? Look at this. Raise the hands, Anand. Are you able to look at my screen? Okay. Look at this verb. Study it, study, will study. So this verb will tell you about the tense. What tense or which tense I'm using in this sentence. With the help of verb, you can justify and judge it. You know, the whole structure will remain same. Everywhere you have to work on subject and the object will remain same, but only the center part, helping verb and verb, will be changed. In every sentence, you have to change the helping verb and the main verb. This is the main point which you have to understand. In every tense, whether it's present, past, or future, what we have to do, only we have to look at the verb and helping verb. With the help of this verb, we can easily judge the tense. So, if it is second form, the second form, the past tense, how could we judge it? With the help of this word form, that over here I have used the second form, so it is past tense. Clear? When I'm using the first form, including s or es, it depends on subject. If I'm using the subject third person singular, he, she, it, or name, but then no need to write the lecture because I'll be sending you, each and everything I'll be sending you in assignment to study thoroughly, to read thoroughly. You have the worksheet with you. So open the tense worksheet which I have given you. No need to write the lecture right now. You only have to understand this. Tanya, better try to be logging on time, my dear. Okay, we have just started the tenses. So the function of tense is to talk about the time, whether it's present, past, or future. And how could we judge the tense? With the help of the verb and helping verb. Now more students join us. Faizan, Vania, Imran, and but please try to join on time. After 9-7, I'll be stopped. I won't admit new students in the class. Okay. Look at that. Here, if I'm using I study English. So over here, I have used the first form of it. So here it is present tense. Why? Because I have used the first form. So I can easily judge the first form we use in present simple tense. We also call it present indefinite. In old traditional English, we also call it present definite, but now we do call it simple present. Clear? Is this clear? Better raise the hand. Okay. With the help of verb, we can easily judge. If we are using first form, so it is present simple tense. Now look at that. How will we make the negative or interrogative? We have to be very careful when you are using the subject. If the subject is I, we, you, they, we use the helping verb do. Clear? And we don't add s or es with first form of verb. For example, I study. I did not add s or es. Clear? I always write you study, they study, we study. But if the subject is third person singular, like he, she, it, or name, So I'll be using he studies, IES. I have to add over here ES. It's really important to add S or ES with he, she, it, or name. Look at that. He plays. I have written over here S form because with third person singular. Look at this. If the subject is he, she, it, or name, any name like Ali, Sarah, or she, it, I'll be using S form. As I already have discussed in year 5 as well with you. We already have done this. When I'm making the negative, so I'll be using two helping verb, do or does. With the subject, if the subject is not third person singular, so I'll be using do. If the subject is third person singular, like he, she, it, or name, so I'll be using does with it. Okay, let me clear you more by writing it. Look at it. I hope it is visible now. The most important thing, how can you judge the tense with the help of verb? How will you judge? It needs first form, the main point, which you have to observe in mind. How will you judge and justify it? First form of verb. Clear? The second important point is you have to use two helping verb. Abhi Imran, let me finish the one topic. I'll be telling all the answer to you, all confusions. I will clear you. With the help of verb first form, we can judge the tense, whether it's past, present, or future. So if I'm using first form, it means it is present simple tense. The two helping verb will be using it do or does. Clear? If the subject is third person singular, clear? For example, he, she, it, and any name. Saqib, very late, bete, what is this? And any name. Clear? I'll be using S form. These are really very important points. Number one, first form. Number two, two helping verb we will use do and does. Number third, if the subject is third person singular, I'll be using S form. Clear? With other subject, I'll be using first form. If with all subject, I'll be using first form. Like I, we, you, they, I'll be using first form. Here I don't use, with these subject, I can't use S form. because these are not third person singular. Clear? And with these subject, I, we, you, they, I'll be using which helping verb? The helping verb which I will use, it is do. When I make negative or interrogative. Clear? But when I'm making negative of he, she, it, with subject he, she, it, I'll be using does, the helping verb does, or S form. Helping verb does with he, she, it, or name. The helping verb does and S form. Now I'll be telling you how to make negative or interrogative. Look at this example. If subject is I will write I play. I play cricket. This is simple sentence, affirmative. Clear? But if I'm making negative, I do not play. Don't use contraction when you're writing. In this manner, you won't get the spellings. I always try and I always request the student to write complete spell to learn spellings. So never use contraction when you are doing any written work. Try to write the complete spellings. So I'm not using the contraction over here. Clear? I do not play. This is negative. I do not play cricket. This is negative. If I'm making interrogative, I'm asking the question, do I play cricket? Here, I'll be writing question mark at the end because it's a question. Fine, but if I'm using the subject, we, it will remain same. Look at this, same. Fine, first letter you have to write capital, at the end you have to write full stop. Whether it's affirmative or negative, we use full stop at the end. But if it's question, we have to use question mark at the end. Look at that. Do we play? Fine. Same with you. Fine. Same with they. Clear? Same with I, we, you, they, we write the same. But if subject is third person singular, like he, so I'll be adding S form. He plays. Fine. Over here, he does not play. Here, does he play? Clear? This is interrogative. We did simple present tense. Clear? Now, simple past. In simple past tense, what you have to remember? Second form. Fine. Helping verb, only one, did. The most important thing which you have to remember is if you are making negative or interrogative. If you are making negative and interrogative, you will use first form. First form. Clear? In simple past tense, second form with all subject. With I, we, you, they, he, she, it, with all subject only second form. But if I'm making negative or interrogative, I'll be using first form. For example, look at this example. He played cricket. Here, he did not play cricket. Look at this. Here I have used second form, the ed. Now here I replace ed and add did, because this is negative sentence. Clear? And here in negative, I'll be using did he play. This is question interrogative sentence. So did he play cricket? Yes. Shaza, you wish to ask something? Or you got that? Unmute yourself and ask the question. Shahraza bete, ask the question.
You are stopped in my screen, but you are writing sentences. But your screen is not coming in my screen.
Wait, the voice is not getting right in message chat. Please.
Yeah.
I'm unable to get the voice of yours. Abhiya, Imran, you wish to ask something, no? You raise the hand. Abhiya, unmute yourself and ask the question.
Miss, I want to ask that I understand all the thing, but we have to write this thing in our copies.
You don't need to write, but you have to understand that. Because the whole lecture I'll be assigning you. You know, the lecture I'll be giving you in homework through university. I'll be sending you. Look at this chart of worksheet now. Look at this.
Yes.
I have made for you. This chart I have made for you. In this, we are having 12 tenses. Look at that. All simple, present, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. I made it for you. In that, we are having all 12 tenses. You don't need to write it. I'll be sending you in through university in assignment.
So, Miss, आपने ये जो worksheet दी है हमारे पास है क्या?
Yes, Bete, I have given you the one worksheet of tenses. In that, I have given you all 12 tenses. But I have merged it now. But I'm making you understand one by one. Clear?
Okay,
Don't
Miss.
do
Miss,
that
what
work
is
right now.
what is affirmative? It is the top.
Interrogative means a question. When you ask a question, na bete.
No, interrogative. No. Affirmative. You.
Affirmative is a simple sentence. Simple sentence. It could be a declarative sentence or a statement.
Yeah, like you say that you have to make this sentence negative and interrogative. So that the sentence you given is called affirmative.
No, my dear, look at that. The main point you have to clear. The first sentence, look at this. He played cricket. Affirmative sentence could be a declarative sentence or any statement. Fine?
Fine.
And it's a simple sentence. Here, there is no negation. And I'm not asking any question right now. It's a simple sentence. We also call it assertive or simple sentence. The positive sentence it is. Here we are not using negative or interrogative. I'm not using any question or any negation. Is this clear? Simple with the help of verb. We can judge the tense. Which tense it is? I have used second form. It means it's simple past. If I'm using first form, it will be simple present. Clear? Okay. Anyone wish to ask? Kindly raise the hand. Okay, unmute yourself. Shahraza. Then I will move forward.
Your voice is not coming.
But everyone is getting my voice. Why not you?
Yes, your voice is not coming.
Bete, you have, I think there is something wrong with your PC or your internet connection. Because at my end, everything is fine.
Hello.
All are listening to me. Right now, I've talked to Abhiya Imran and she got everything. So
Yes,
I think
your voice is not coming.
check your internet connection, my dear. Because here everything is fine. Your video is also stuck. It means there is something wrong at your end. Okay, I'm continuing it more. If we are making simple future tense, simple future. So we'll be using first form with will. Will plus First form of verb. Helping verb, will. Clear? Look at that example. He will play cricket. Only I have changed the verb. Fine. In simple present, I have used play. In simple past, I have used played, second form. Now in simple future, I have written will play. Now if I'm making negative, I will write will not play. It's simple future. If I'm making interrogating, I'll be adding will he play. Clear? So today we have done simple present, simple past, and simple future. I only have changed the verb to make you understand which thing you have to change and how could you justify the tense. Clear it? Now again I'm sharing this one. Only the first one. You know, you have the tenses worksheet with you. Do only three. First, second, third sentence you have to do. Clear? From the worksheet, do only three. Because today we have done three tenses now. Simple present, simple past, and simple future. This yellow color, the continuous one, will be doing tomorrow. Clear? We have done the purple color today. All right? So one by one, daily we'll be doing one color. And one tense. So today we have done all simple. Okay, Mubashir is raising the hand. Yes, Mubashir, you wish to ask, beta. Yes, beta, ask the question. Unmute yourself.
मिस मैं कह रहा था कि कौन सी वर्कशीट आप देंगी ये पास सिंपल ये क्या थी
The worksheet said you have to receive from school. I already have given.
यूनिवर्सिटी पे
No. In school, you have to visit school. And from there, you will be getting the worksheet pack. The whole set of worksheet.
ओके
Fine.
यस
Visit school between 10 to 1 and get the worksheet set from there. You are the new student, my dear.
यस मिस
You are the new student now.
यस
All right. You can receive from school each and everything. Visit school, or if it's possible for you, then take the worksheet set from the school.
ओके
Clear,
मिस यस मिस
Okay. Wait a bit. Bete Zayan, you don't wish to. Abdullah Danish, open the camera. Anaya, bete. Dania Khan, please open camera. And do let me know you wish to ask something or not. Please open camera. Yes, bete. Unmute Moise.
मिस कौन सी वाली वर्कशीट में करना है
Tenses. Look at the worksheet of tenses. Only do first three sentences. First three. Don't do all. There are so many tenses. Today we have done three, so you have to do only three. Is this clear?
फर्स्ट एंड थ्री
Okay. Okay, let me read. Okay, I'm reading the tenses worksheet you are having. In that you have the question, make negative or interrogative of the following. Is that so? The first sentence that is mentioned is, he flies kite. Look at that. You have to make negative or interrogative of that. The first example I have given. It's done for you. The second you have to make. Now tell me, Amna sang a song. Which tense it is? Raise the hand, please. Anaya. Amna sang a song. Which tense it is? Unmute yourself.
पास
Which tense it is? Amna sang a song.
पास्ट टेंस
Very good. It is past tense, simple past tense. So you have to make negative or interrogative of that. So for that, what you will use? Helping verb, did. Clear? Amna did not sing a song. Did Amna sing a song? In this manner, you have to do this worksheet. Yes, Danish, you wish to ask, unmute yourself.
मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि ये जो आपने क्वेश्चन दिया था ये सिंपल पास्ट का था ना?
Which one? Amna one?
Amna sang the song.
Yes, bete, with the help of word, judge it by yourself. Now, you will tell this, which tense it is. I told you, if I'm using second form of verb. So which tense it will be? It will be past tense. Is this clear? Because I have used second form of verb. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Abhiya, unmute yourself.
Miss, I want to ask, in this worksheet, they have written interrogative 2 times. So in one interrogative,
Yes,
there
one
is
is
written
with
plus
negation. Abhiya, look at the sentence. I have given the example to you. One is with negation and one is without negation. One is intro-negative. Intro-negative means when I'm asking the question as well and I'm using the negation as well. That is intro-negative. Look at the example. Does he not fly the kite? क्या वो पतंग नहीं उड़ाता था? ठीक है, क्या वो पतंग नहीं उड़ाता है? Sorry. Is this clear? Look at this.
So Miss Amna sang a song का कैसे होगा? Like इसका interrogative
Did Amna not sing a song? Did Amna not sing a song?
sing a song? और इस
Very good.
interrogative का होगा did Amna sing a song?
Very good, Abhiya. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. Ali Salman, you wish to ask something? Oh, you got it, Bete. Rafe, you got it, dear? Very good. Anyone else who wish to ask? Amsal, you wish to ask something? Because the class time is ended, we have only 1 minute. Humaira, Bete, you wish to ask something? Or you got the lecture? You got it? Yes, no one wish to ask anything? So do till here. Listen it carefully. You have to do only, you will eat mangoes till here. Clear? Only 6 sentences you will be doing. Only about Amna and you will eat mangoes. Okay, do only these 2. The other will be doing in next classes. Is this clear? Do only 2. Yes, Danish, unmute yourself.
बस कौन से 2 करने मैंने सुना?
You will eat mangoes. Amna sang a song. This one. This 2 only. Clear?
Yes.
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 This 2
Yes,
are
only
simple
करने.
one. Don't move forward unless I move forward. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. I'm ending my lecture. Take care of yourself, everyone. If you have any problem, you can message me in my QD time in university between 5 to 6 p.m. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.